Hi people in YouTube land or TikTok land or wherever you are. I've got the situation here with a GF Falcon or a BF Falcon where it won't start from the ignition. I'll just give you an example. And it shuts off. And now there's nothing. So all you need to do, it's a problem with the switch. The switch on the side here. Not sure if you can see it. There you go. They play up. All you have to do is release the adjustment steering and give it a bit of a bang. Voila! Hope this helps you out there and gets you out of trouble.